Good afternoon, fellow flywheel enthusiasts. This is Eric for Flywheel Enthusiast channel. I'm here at the Boston's Antique Engine and Tractor Show up at Pennboro, West Virginia. They have this every year, twice a year. One this weekend in the summer and one in fall. I believe it's October. I can't remember the exact dates, but if you go to the Facebook page at Boston's Engine Show, you will definitely be able to see the dates on there. Got a lot of great tractors here from the case. That's your food venue right over there. And all these amazing tractors, even a few cars down there. Farm all. So I'm going to take you around to show you all the cool engines there is to see. If you do come to this event, the day to come is definitely Saturday. So let's go. There's a young man here that's been burning into the wood, making these little cool little keepsakes. This is Boston's Engine Show. This is one of my favorite displays right here. I have a Lawson engine, the same exact one. Haven't got it running yet. We also have a Model 92 Maytag of our own, and I did not know that you could get a muffler like this. Goes along there. I love that. set up here is actually by my Uncle Dale. Named Dale Hill. He's from Pistersville area. He does a lot of these shows. Glad to see he was able to get up here to this. And this is a stage they do. They do a lot of festivals and stuff up here all the time. They have something they call the Hootenanny. And actually, Southern Rock Group Confederate Railroad is going to be up here this year. So if you're interested, contact the Boston Farm Venue and see if you could get in to see that. They got a beautiful property up here, a lot of land that they always turn into having great events, great shows. Now we'll go down the other side of this event. These guys are at about every event I go to. This is known as the Do Nothing Machine. Being someone that once again owns a Maytag, this is a display I find very interesting. Nothing but old Maytag washing machines and engines. Multi-motor oil. Patton Brothers. Thank you, sir. That was Johnny Boston. He's the guy that actually runs Boston Venues and does the show. So, who I just spoke to there. Sorry guys if I'm shaking too much, by the way. I do have a bad knee problem, so once in a while with rocky ground, I can't walk as good as I was used to, but still hopefully get a nice video for you. Some people are getting ready to leave. Saturday is the last day for this show. We're in the big Reed engine. Look at that. This is a really neat display. It's all kinds of model engines. And even more on his trailer. And there's another view of all the different cars, trucks, tractors, all kinds of stuff out there. So thank you all for watching. If you would and like this video, please hit that like button. Or if you'd like to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. I do plan to be putting a lot more stuff like these kind of videos out there, including the Oil and Gas Festival coming up in September, along with Volcano Days. So just please keep following my channel, and hopefully y'all like all the videos upcoming. Thank y'all. Have a good evening.